Something about yourself and what's your experience about it?
Okay, my name is Pratima Gracious. Professionally I'm actually a graphic designer, but as of now I am a full-time mother. I got to know about Famous Fingers through a friend of mine who went to Lucknow and got it done from there, and that's how I found out about your website and got in contact with Poonam. And as soon as you all came over and got me the report later, I mean, it just helped me to channelize how my son would want to be taught or be educated. Of course, his desired fields, I was aware of it, but the weaker ones, which I wanted him to kind of excel in, maybe not excel, take a step forward in, it just got me a good idea. And so in the process I have ended up developing variety of techniques for him to get involved and interested in the kind of learning process that I wanted him to. And and we have just begun, and it all looks good as of now. And in fact, I'm still in the process of developing some more methods, in what way I can keep him interested. And he's doing good, he's accepting it, he's in fact loving it, the way I've changed around things based on your reports, and he's loving it, and hopefully we can do better with it.
So what would be your suggestions for other parents?
I think they should go with this, not for any other reason as to that what career my child will choose, but as to understand his interests and to forward them in that direction and give a proper guide in that direction, instead of just putting them to random classes which they might not be interested. So that's my suggestion. Like, they should go for it to understand, and the advices that you guys give, I mean the tips which are written in this, how to go about it. Everybody tells you, okay, you put them in this class, or you do this with them, or you teach them that, but how to do that, how to incorporate that in your day-to-day, I think that's the best advice. That's the best part about your reports. So,
okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
We appreciate.
Thank you.